this end because it's not from this country. If you had a Firecrest and you reported you had a Firecrest on the national Twitter page, then everyone would come down to try and have a look at it with.
But the Firecrest may have to wait.
What? I haven't looked down there. I've just seen some done, I think. My nemesis. Greetings from Raven. Go ahead. I just advise you, Welsh Area 9 at Alpha 4 has 3 crows and some starlings. I'm going to attempt to disperse them in between movements. It's a species that outsmarts you rather than. I mean, they're very clever.
The trick to dealing with feathered trespassers is to use a variety of different dispersal techniques, and Ian has the ultimate deterrent.
Something like the sailor knocks you back, you can follow the way the sailor knocks you back. I always think the stubborn ones are the juveniles, the like teenagers, you know.
Having tried car horns and bird impressions to no effect, Ian has no choice but to deploy a very special piece of equipment.
So it's just a classic bin liner. But if you hold it, shake it, just from a distance, all they can see is a black object. They're black, so it looks like you've got one of their mates. Yeah.
Ian's finally caught up with the drop that eluded him all day, but he must time his approach.
Right, so what I do is I don't want to go over there now and get the first ride.